Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to make almond flour green pancakes, and it's yummy and very easy recipe. These are the basic ingredients in front of you. This is almond flour, and this is spinach. We are making green pancakes, so I'm using spinach, a cup of spinach, already washed, and for flavor we are using ginger, garlic and chili. uh, if you don't want the green chili, you can use the black pepper instead, or the basic flavors you want to add. You can add anything. Be experimental like me, and I'm going to experiment with my almond flour each and every day and going to share with you all the experiments. So the basic ingredients, as we all know: salt and pepper. If you want a hot pancake, you can use the green chili, or otherwise black pepper and ginger and garlic. Depends upon the flavor that you like. If you want more garlic, you can add more. And these are friends, two this is like 2 serving spoon of almond flour. Make it lump free. This is I think this is enough for 2 small pancakes. You can use 3 serving spoons also for 2 pancakes. It depends upon the thickness and size you're making your pancake. So what we are going to do, we're going to mix these greens and the ingredients ginger, garlic, chili in the mixer and make a paste kind of thing, and then we'll mix both of them and make the pancake. So let's get started with our recipe. And friends, don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates. So I put all my green spinach into the mixer and just add the little amount of water required for mixing, because we will going to add, if we need more water, then we'll going to add more while mixing with the almond flour. If you use more water here, then your consistency will become very thin and it's very difficult to make the pancakes. So we'll make a mix of it. So this is green spinach puree is ready, and I'm going to add this thing, almond flour, into it. And we'll check the consistency if you want to add more water, or if you think that we will add more almond flour also. I think I need to add more almond flour, just a half spoon more. It's a bit thin. So I'm adding this much. Add salt also. So I think this is good. Besides, heat your pan side by side, and I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. So heat your pan with a little oil over it. You can use desi ghee, extra virgin olive oil, anything you want. And on a low to medium flame, I'm just try to pat little. Don't make too thin. See, this much is enough. It's about 1 serving spoon, and I make I'm not making this too big because it will be hard to flip. Yeah, the ginger and garlic aroma is so nice. Guys, if you bought one almond flour packet, then it's good to use it every day with a very different recipe. And for the various recipe, you can check my videos. I have so many almond flour recipes which are very delicious. And I can find this pancake is very easy as compared to making a roti or burrito, because no perfection is needed. You just have to put on the pan and it will come out by its own. Make your flame medium. The edges will come out soon and then we'll flip it over. So as you can see, it's nicely cooked on one side. You can remove this edges which are little overburnt because of the oil on the edges. I think this is almost done, and I'm going to make one more. Like with a 2 and 3 serving spoon, you can make 2 pancakes which are good enough for your appetite. So it's time for the next one. Little oil in the center and the edges. Low to medium. Don't worry about the shapes. You can cut it into the halves or in the squares, whatever shape you want, and you can enjoy with the yogurt, Greek yogurt, or any basil pesto sauce or anything. But this is already flavored, so I don't think so you need anything. You can take a little bit of ketchup. I am making sure that you guys are enjoying your keto diet very much with my yummy tasty recipes. These are easy also. And believe me, these are all my innovative ideas, because I can't eat same thing daily. I want to make my dieting interesting, so that's why I keep on trying different recipes, and I love to share with you guys. So it's all almost ready. So it's time to serve. So friends, my yummy tasty very healthy keto breakfast is ready. So I'm going to eat this with Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. You can call it anyways. It is a homemade yogurt and it's very yummy and delicious. If you want the recipe, you can check down the link below. It's also in my YouTube channel videos. And see, these are so tasty pancakes. It's pure almond flour with spinach in it, and you can relish your food with any types of salad you want. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and do share these recipes with your friends and tell them to subscribe for more updates. So I hope you like this one. It's not very difficult, it's easy. All the best for your dieting. Bye. Vegetarian keto rocks.